Of Tenera Foundation, the Honorable Headmaster from Kindergarten to Senior High School Tenera, the Honorable all of the Tenera teachers from Tenera School, and all my beloved friends. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Fadli Wahyu Ariandra. Everyone know me and call me Fadli. Here I stand. I represent young generations who will express my opinion about the roles of education for nation buildings in Indonesia. If we talk about nation buildings in Indonesia, we will definitely touch on many aspects of nation's development, such as religions, politics, law, science, social, culture, technology, and the most important thing, that is education. I believe that education is important for nation buildings because two main reasons. The first reason, education is important for forming the character of young generations who will later continue nation buildings in Indonesia. As we know, nation building has occurred not only since the order, but since the beginning of independence Indonesia, and will continue later into the future. We will continue nation buildings before, and will give it to our younger generations, and will repeat again until our country get glorious. The second reason, as the main reason, is to make Indonesia nations and independence nations that can prosper its populations. I have example, Turkmenistan. Do you know Turkmenistan? Turkmenistan is a country rich in gold. However, the world doesn't know that gold is found in abundant country because gold produce will be processed and traded for the country itself, so that the entire populations can be sufficient, rich, and evenly distributed. Natural product from Turkmenistan for Turkmenistan, and that it should be the motivations for Indonesian people to continue moving forward. Indonesia is a rich country. Not only rich, but very, very rich country in cultural and natural products, as well as natural beauty and tourism. But everything will be in vain if our country has an educated human research which will manage all the world of the Indonesian nation. Like Mr. Prabowo Subianto said in his speech for 2024 presidential elections, he said, "I want Indonesian people wear shoes just like the children of Indonesia. I want Indonesian people wear use car created by Indonesia. I want Indonesian people wash using Indonesian soap. Wherefore, the glorious